Hi, I'm Lisa with VacuumWizard.com, and we're reviewing Hoover SteamVacs. The SteamVac did an excellent job sucking up new spills. We poured a glass of milk on the carpet and it was cleaned up immediately. Old stains didn't come out as easy. We sped up the video here because it took several passes to take out old stains. You can see the foam from the detergent and the spin scrub brushes that help clean the carpet. Make sure you go slow to allow the SteamVac to work. The Hoover All-Terrain can also clean up smudges and stains on hard flooring. It cleaned up the hardwood floor and the tile floor nicely, but didn't do a great job sucking up all the water. You need to use the squeegee and white spin scrub brush for hard floors. The hose and spin scrub turbo brush is a powerful combination. You can spray out the detergent, scrub your upholstery, and then suck up the liquid. It drips a little bit but does a great job on old and new stains. You can also use this tool for carpeted stairs. The upper tank has two containers, one for the detergent and the other for the warm water. The SteamVac automatically mixes the detergent and water for the perfect cleaning ratio every time. The dirty water tank is down below. You have to lower the vacuum to take the lower tank off. Once the tank is off, you pop off the top of the tank and pour out the dirty water. The SteamVac is quieter on carpet, but reaches above 90 decibels on hard flooring. If you just want a SteamVac for carpeting, but not for hard floors, use the Hoover Dual V SteamVac instead of the all-terrain model. Hi, I'm Lisa with VacuumWizard.com, and we're reviewing Hoover SteamVacs.